Hi everyone, welcome to the AWS series. This is the part 3 of this series. In this series, I am going to explain about the auto scaling for EC2 instances. So before to go the practical part, uh, let's discuss a theoretical part for 1 minute. So Yeah, so here we can see what is a auto scaling. So generally auto scaling basic adjusts the number of EC2 instances based on our demand, or you can say based on our the traffic. It basically help to maintain the application performance and availability. Okay, it reduce the cost because if you are using a more instance, then you need to pay more. If there is less traffic, it will consume the less instances. In that case, the cost will be low. So there are some type of scaling we have in AWS, that is a dynamic scaling. It will adjust based on the real-time metrics like how much CPU utilization, how much memory is used. Okay. Second is the predictive scaling that is used for historical data for forecast demand. And we can also schedule scaling here that will schedule at a specific time. Let's say we know that this is this is the peak hours where more traffic comes on our website. So we can use such kind of scaling there. So in action, we have a scale out or scale in. It simply when demand increase, then we can use the scale out, means add more instances, and when demand is decreased, then we can remove the instances. So benefit, it is a highly available cost optimizations, automatic load handling during the traffic spikes. So for monitoring, you can attach the CloudWatch, and you can also see the common metrics like CPU utilization, network traffic, request count, and use case like we have a e-commerce website where we have some huge traffic during the sales or during some offer time. So at that time we can use this auto scaling so that whenever huge traffic comes over on website, then auto scale creates the server as much as required based on the traffic. So let's go and see the practical implementation of auto scaling. So as I explained in a part 2, we have a two instances, and upon these instances, I have added a load balancer. So now I am going to create first the launch template. So here these are the two instances which we have created previously. So first we can select this and create one image from this server, that is a create template from storage. We can give the name of our images, that is demo image. For now it will create the same machine image which we have already running. Here you can give the description, let's say demo description. Okay, and I think that's all. It will take all default settings, and yeah, that's it. Now I'm going to create this launch template. Okay, so there is some issue with it. So I am going to create, I give the name with hyphen. That's why it is creating a problem. So I remove this and let me create again. Now my launch template has been created successfully. We can go on launch template by clicking this ID. So here you can see the complete details of this launch template. Okay, this is kind of a demo image. Okay, now I am going to create the auto scaling group. Okay, so here is an option for creating the auto scaling group. Yeah, we can provide name for auto scaling, demo, auto scaling, and we can choose our launch template which we have created. That is a demo image. It will load all the settings which is used for this demo image. Now I am clicking on next and we can select the available zones. So for now I am selecting all, so whatever available it will automatically choose for us. And yeah, that is a default setting. And we need to attach the existing load balancer here, so we can choose the target group. Okay, choose from, yeah, so we have created this target group in part 2. You can watch part 2 video if you are not aware about the target groups. So that's all, and these are the default setting, which is fine for now. Okay, so now next is, what is the desired capacity? Okay, you can select two. Okay, scaling limits. You can resize auto scaling group manually or automatically to meet change it demands. So minimum desired capacity. I am selected minimum one, means one instant at least run for our application. And how many max it can? Let's say for three. It went to max to three. Okay, all right. And you can also target the tracking scaling policies. So here you can see there is one option, average CPU utilization. It means when our CPU utilization is more than 20%, then it will create a new instance. And rest, let's say we add up 50 seconds for running the instance or warm up. And instance maintain, I think that's fine. Okay, I'm going to create next. Okay, this is fine for now. This is fine for now. And these are all the details for our auto scaling. I am going to create auto scaling. Okay, currently it is updating capacity. It may take few seconds to update the status. Okay, so here you can see that our auto scaling group has been created and now status is on at desired capacity. That is fine. It means, let me quickly open this, and here you can see all the details of this. And I want to showcase something as well, but not here, I think. Yeah, okay, so now auto scaling has been done. We can go on our load balancer. Where are you, load balancer? All right, and click here. You can just copy the DNS name and paste here. And do not forget to add HTTP. So my load balancer is running on D9. Okay, so we can go to the instances. So here you can see these are the two new server or instances has been created. Okay, so these are the 4D9 and 34D. So based on the traffic, our request will be go on all the server. Okay, like now you can see D9. If I reload this, it will go 934B. 934B, that is 934B. This is the server. So you can see that auto scaling create dynamically instance based on our traffic or based on our CPU utilizations. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.